Hello and welcome to another glass of bubbly video. My name's Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a spiced sea dog cocktail. Now all you're going to need is a bottle of bubbly, a bottle of dark premium spiced rum, some spices and a little bit of water. So let's get started. First you're going to want to grab your glass. You're going to then want to dip the rim into water. Just leave that there a second while we prepare our spices. Now I have ground ginger, put a little bit on a plate, and then some ground nutmeg. Both these spices are chosen because the nutmeg for the aroma, but the ginger for the flavour. And you're going to grab your glass, and then you're going to want to run the rim in the spices, mix it round so you get a bit of both. The water doesn't always stick very well, but it does provide the job if you don't want to add a lime or zesty flavour to the glass. So that's pretty good right there. The second, what you want to do is grab some rum. Now this rum is very nice. It's available at Aldi for only $14.99. It's got some nice vanilla aromas and flavours, along with coffee and lime. So you're going to want to grab 30 mils of the rum, pour that into the glass, and now you're going to want to open your bottle of bubbly. Now I have here a bottle of Vina Gjerkeš. This is from Slovenia and it's a brut nature. It's a very nice wine. So let's just open this up. And lovely. Now you just want to top up here with your sparkling wine. Brilliant. And that is how you make a spiced sea dog cocktail.